During this tutorial, we'll look at how to populate a table object using data from an external data source. A table object can have multiple columns, and each column can be populated with data from different fields in the data source. In many cases, this type of lookup will be triggered when a form or page is opened, but other events could also be used. From the integration toolbox, we will use the connect command. Select the connection and action that will already need to be set up in the Connections dashboard. This was covered in other tutorial videos. In this example, we'll take data from the Product ID field and pass it into the Product ID column in the table. Note that we should use the All Rows option when selecting the table column to populate. By doing this, we can populate all of the data into the table object. We will repeat that for the product name, units in stock and unit price fields too. As always, let's preview the form to see how this works. All of the records from this data source have been imported into the table object. Although not included in this example, the filtering options demonstrated in previous examples can also be applied to this type of logic.